in the process of taking this tire off. Look at all this mud that's in the tire from when it tipped over. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? That's how muddy that field was. Oh, yeah, that door is jacked, but it opens. It opens still. Um, and there's no interior damage on it. So I might be able to go to the and there's no damage down here on the panel, it's just mud. I might be able to go to the junkyard and find another door, since this part of the door is not, this part is not damaged, and this part right here where the door connects is not damaged. I might be able to get this door from the junkyard. I'm not going to worry about that though, since the door works and the mirror's not broken or anything. So this tire is off. And look at all this. I have knocked some of this mud out, but I'm going to get my shop vac and blow it out and clean it, clear it out. That brick is there just because I put it there for the jack stand. But yeah, I mean, it could be worse. I mean, I did find out that the airbags are only held on by like 8 bolts. And so it's very easy to remove the airbags. Let me see. I'm going to go around to the... I see him. Say hello, Robert.
Hello, how you doing? I'm a mechanic today.
So I'm going to... I think... So anyway, these airbags are only held on... They're like curtains. It's like a curtain that goes from the front to the back. And it's a rod that holds holds it on there with like 8 bolts. It's like 2 here, 2 here, 2, and then and then there's this little panel right here that pops off when the airbag is deployed. See this little panel? So it pops off when the airbag, you can see that bolt there. That's one of the bolts that gets you take off. And then once you take this old airbag off, you just pop this panel back into place. And when you install the new, so they actually have them on the Mitsubishi website. So I can order, that's the inside of the curtain, like underneath this panel. You see this panel? Underneath that panel is where the other bolts are for this airbag. So I just take those 8 bolts off, and then I order from over there you can see how the airbag goes across. So underneath that panel is like 8 bolts. So I just take those bolts off, take that airbag curtain off, and then order the new airbags from the Mitsubishi manufacturer, and they will send me the new airbags. And then I just disconnect the battery from the car, because you don't want the car to have power when you install the new airbags, because they might deploy and pop you in the face, and that would not be good. So you just I mean, don't take it from me. I'm not a car expert. I'm just going by what I've learned so far about what I'm going to do to my car. I mean, I don't know don't do anything I say do. But anyway, and then I'm going to reinstall my airbags myself. So or take these out and then order the new ones and then reinstall them. And then take it, then I'm going to put the tires on today. And then here's the rental car. We got the rental car. So I'm gonna do that today. It's supposed to rain again. So I'm trying to at least get the tires on there before it rains. And once I get the old airbags off, and order the new ones, because I need to get a number off of that airbag. But you can really see, like right there where that panel popped out with the airbag, there's a code on that label that I need to get off. So once I get that off, I'll order the new airbags from the manufacturer, and then once I get the tires put on today, I will go and take the car over to the dealer because I have a bumper to bumper warranty on the car, and it actually covers some things for them to reset the computer system and do some other stuff. And then I still have like a free tune up and free oil change that I haven't used yet. And so I'm going to take it to the dealer and have them do all that stuff for me, reset the system and reset the seat belts and everything. Because the back seat belts, for some reason, and are not working right. So, well, they're just not locking. I think it's a safety feature when you have an accident so that you can get out of the car. The seat belts automatically unlock so you can get out once it like when the car feels the impact, the airbags deploy, and then I guess the car signals itself to release the seat belts, but now they won't snap. So I'll take it over to the dealer and let them, reset all of those mechanical systems. But I mean, overall, I feel like it could have been way worse. It could have been way worse. There was nobody got hurt. Nothing got injured. Like I said, it was just a big empty field. So yeah, that's the update for now. Check out my YouTube channel if you want to see me replace the airbags, and because that's gonna be interesting. All right, you guys, you stay blessed and have a wonderful day. Check out our YouTube channel at Desert Escape /Hip Camp, Teresa S. And I hope everyone has a blessed and wonderful day.